Well, what was the dance he was supposed to do?
What was he supposed to do? You were rehearsing it.
I was showing Asher.
Here, wait a minute. Let me move these candles so you don't get stabbed on them. Because they hurt. Hang on, let me turn on the light.
Ready.
Wait.
Lights, action, figure.
Ready?
Now.
Go.
Dun, 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 dun. Keep going.
You're in my light. You gotta go over there. Get over there. He's not doing it right, is he?
No.
Then you do it.
He's not even close. Do you want them to scratch my shadow?
What?
Nothing. Nothing.
What did he say?
We got it from a cartoon.
No.
Is she doing it right?
No.
Well, show me how to do it.
No.
Here, I'll turn off my camera. Okay. Now show him how to do it.
Make me happy.
You have to come in here to watch him do it. You have to come in here and watch. I don't have my camera on, don't worry.